Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add cracked games to Steam. First, launch Steam and click on Games in the top menu. Then select Add a non-Steam game to my library from the drop-down. Now click Browse to locate the game's executable file on your computer. Select the game's exe file and click Open. The game will appear in the list. Check its box and click Add Selected Programs. In your Steam library, right-click the added game and select Properties. Under Shortcut, click Choose Icon to set a custom icon for the game. Now click Browse to select an image file for the game's icon and click Open. Click OK to save the changes. The game will now appear in your library with the custom icon. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.